Is invoicing a problem for your business? Tired of keeping all that record of clients in their ledgers? Well, we have the perfect solution for you. The easiest invoicing solution out there, invoiceroute.com. From creating basic quotes to getting paid online for your invoices, invoiceroute.com has it all. Add clients and frequent line items for future use. Create and send invoices instantly to your customers. Customers will have the option to make the payment online using Stripe, PayPal, or credit card. You get paid faster and at the same time maintain reporting. InvoiceRoute.com gives you advanced reporting for your business where you can track sales, debts, most selling products, and much more. You can also make invoices on a subscription model where customers will be automatically notified when their payment is due. They'll also get an online payment link so they can pay you directly. Get rid of all the paperwork and let us handle your invoices. InvoiceRoute.com. Sign up for a free trial today.